I'm Jamie Z, and this is my patio. If you've seen some of my other videos, you know I usually talk about history or some cool place or interesting art around Colorado. But with the end of the football season coming up, I thought I'd change it up a little bit and make my favorite at-home chicken wing recipe. And if you like food-related videos, I've got a couple of Colorado-themed food videos coming up in the near future, so if you hit the subscribe button, you'll be one of the first to know. We're going to be grilling some chicken wings today, so what do we need? Well, first, chicken wings. I have frozen wings here, but fresh wings work fine, and either whole wings or portions, your choice. But you want unbreaded, unseasoned, uncooked wings. Next, you'll need Frank's buffalo wing sauce. Frank's is the original. I mean, way back when buffalo wings were invented, they used Frank's. And even today, most buffalo wing recipes use Frank's as a base, including this one. There are several varieties of Frank's buffalo sauce, but this is my favorite. And Coke. This adds a bit of sweetness and sugar to the wing sauce. Cayenne pepper. You can use this or not, but I like to add a little extra heat to the sauce, especially since I've diluted it with the Coke. And a bit of butter. You'll also need a saucepan, some tongs, and a small bowl of some sort. Before we get started, a bit of terminology. Spicy chicken wings were invented in Buffalo, New York at the Anchor Bar in 1964. That's where the name buffalo wings comes from. But I learned to love wings in Memphis, Tennessee, where they're definitely called hot wings. And other parts of the country simply refer to them as chicken wings. I use all three terms interchangeably. Traditional buffalo wings should be unbreaded, deep fried, and tossed in a buffalo-style sauce. I don't have a deep fryer, and I had a little grease fire incident a little while back, so this is my favorite recipe on the grill. And finally, chicken wings have bones. Boneless wings are just chicken nuggets, and that's fine, but they're not chicken wings. All right, I'm getting hungry, let's get to business. Let's make the sauce. This is simple, we don't have to measure anything. Just pour the whole bottle of Frank's into a saucepan. There we go. Then a can of Coke. Just a bit of cayenne pepper. A couple sprinkles is fine. And a chunk of butter. It's best to have a grill with a side burner like this one. But even if you don't, you can actually just set the saucepan right here on the grill. If you don't have the space for that, you can use your kitchen stove, which isn't as convenient, but it works. Heat the sauce to a simmer, then, and this is part of my secret, add half the batch of your wings to the sauce. Today, it's just me, so I've got 12 pieces in here. I'm gonna first start by adding 6 pieces to the sauce. Set a timer for about 8 minutes, and now would be a good time to light your gas grill and let it heat up. Okay, 8 minutes has passed, so we're going to transfer the wings from the simmering sauce onto the grill. And we're going to do this a total of 5 times. That is 8 minutes in the sauce, then 8 minutes on the grill, then back in the sauce, then to the grill, and one last time in the sauce, for a total cooking time of about 40 minutes. And now that those are on the grill, we're going to add the second half of my batch into the simmering sauce. All right, And you don't want to reuse that bowl. You've had raw chicken in there, so put that in your dirty dishes. And again, set a timer for about 8 minutes. From here, we're going to alternate the wings from the sauce to the grill and vice versa every 8 minutes or so. I'm on the last step, and since I like my wings wet and saucy, I'm going to transfer them from the grill to the sauce for one last dip. But if you happen to prefer your wings without so much sauce, you can skip this last step and just leave them on the grill for an extra 5 minutes or so. The whole batch is done. Ooh, they look great, don't they? Can't wait. Serve with carrots, celery sticks, a little bit of ranch dressing. Doesn't get any better than this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.